Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5. It has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Prime Scalper EA for MT4. This is a price action based scalping system. So let's go through the claims and give you a balanced look. So as you can see from the official website, you can see that the Prime Scalper EA is marketed as an AI-driven or advanced algorithmic scalper that uses price action, RSI, and awesome oscillator to identify short-term opportunities. It places pending stop orders instead of market orders for better spread protection, and it is a small fixed stop loss on every trade. The system does not use grid or martingale methods. It is designed for the 1 minute time frame and supports several major pairs. The developer emphasizes built-in capital protection, continuous market monitoring, and the ability to run 24/7 without emotional interference. Default settings lean toward fixed or compound lot options with risk control. So as you can see, the claim is programmed with a specific set of rules, and they act on market conditions to execute trades automatically. Okay, so you can see they claim that the algorithms have consistently delivered exceptional performance, surpassing top investment assets like the S&P 500 and gold. You can see some of the features, intelligence, automation. They claim the price scalper robots are capable of analyzing massive amounts of data in real time and making instantaneous decisions. We also have the efficient and rapid execution. The Prime Scalper robots can track multiple markets and assets at once, creating a diversified portfolio and helping to mitigate risk. It automates the entire trading process with minimal initial configuration, saving time and increasing efficiency. All right, so you can see most of the details here. You can see how to start. You need to purchase the license subscription, choose your option, then download and install the EA, turn on the EA, and then you sit back and relax and let the EA do its work and perform trades for you. All right, so we have some screenshots here, and the claim setting up is quick and straightforward. They offer clear step-by-step instructions and are always available to assist. It's fully automated trading with zero human intervention required, which means you don't need to do anything, just install and let it play out. Alright, so we can see some screenshots from the developer claiming a proven track record. You can see how the equity curve looks, almost like the sharp line to the upside. And we have a gain of over 100%, 116 to be exact, um, and a profit of $48,748. Although the um, although the time period for the okay, it was actually shown here. We can see we have from September 18th, 2025 to January 1st, 2026. So that's a period of 4 months, or just below 4 months actually. It looks pretty solid, but of course, we always have to take what we have on the website with a pinch of salt, as um, performance in live markets can greatly differ from what we see or what we have from the developer. So you can also see some profits or some equity curves, rather, some screenshots of equity curves and performance by the EA. You can see most of the curves just move upwards, even with little drawdowns here and there and little volatility. Okay, there was this drawdown over here, but overall the EA recovered once again, moving sharply to the upside and ending in good gains. So most of the movements look smooth. Out of the 6 accounts presented here, you can see all of them actually ended up in good gains. as always, we can't really tell how many accounts were used in total before this could come out. So, like I said previously, we have to take what we see here with a pinch of salt. So, the online price for the EA, as you can see, is 499 US dollars per year. You need to register an MT4 account with your preferred brokers. Yeah, and you can get the EA software, presets, and license key, and then run on your preferred brokers. All right, so those are the claims. We have a couple more screenshots on the website. You can see the claim a winning rate of 78 to 93%, and some other stats as you can see here. But basically, as a pure M1 scalper, results depend heavily on broker spreads, execution speed, slippage, and current market volatility. Scalping systems on the 1 minute chart can generate many small trades, but transaction costs and news events can quickly erode any edge. The use of pending orders and a hard small stop loss is a positive for risk control. The absence of greed or martingale also limits the chance of runaway exposure. However, high win rates claims common on the marketing side need to be treated with caution. Real life performance often differs from promotional figures or selective backtests. Okay, so honestly, the features that matter most are the mark spread filter, conservative lot sizing, a true low spread ECM broker, and the reliable VPS. The price action plus oscillator combination aims for quick entries, but success still hinges on execution quality. This EA suits experienced scalpers who already understand the demands of 1 minute trading and have access to a quality low spread broker and VPS. Is good if you want a straightforward non-greased scalper with fixed stops. You should probably avoid this EA if you're a beginner. If you use if you use a high spread broker, have a small account, or prefer lower frequency systems with less noise and fewer trades. Overall, the Prime Scalper EA is a classic M1 price action scalper with solid risk controls, pending orders, small hard stops, no martingale. It has potential in the right environment but carries the typical risks of high frequency trading. Thorough demo testing on your own broker is essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.